Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Biology 2017, and the question goes this. The causative organism of cholera is, first let's talk about cholera. Cholera is an infectious disease that is caused by severe watery diarrhea, which often lead to dehydration and even death if it is not treated. Okay, and cholera is caused by eating food or drinking water that is contaminated with a bacterium that is called Vibrio cholerae. Okay, so let's go to the answer option. Option A says Clostridium species. This is incorrect. Option B, Shigella species. This is also incorrect. Option C, Vibrio species. Yes, this is the bacterium that causes cholera. So the answer option C is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.